This is Mark, Head of Customer Education here at ClickFunnels. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can integrate with PayPal in order to sell products on your ClickFunnels sales pages. So this would be, for example, if you would like to sell a product using PayPal as your payment processor and then provide access to a user in a membership area that is in your ClickFunnels account, or trigger or add them to ActionEdX or trigger different things like that. So basically what it's going to do is it's going to add those PayPal customers back into your ClickFunnels account to allow them to have access to different sorts of things and allow you to create different automations. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to create your sales pages. So you don't need to have an order page or an order confirmation page. You can just have a regular sales page. Now I've added an upsell page in this funnel here, but this isn't going to be a one-click upsell. What's going to happen is after somebody purchases this product on my sales page, they would be taken back to the upsell page here. So I'll go ahead and show you. I have this page set up. It's just a PayPal, it's just a button with a link on it. And I'll show you how to do that when I build out this upsell page. And then I have my thank you page as well, and that's going to be where they go when they either accept or don't accept the upsell on this page. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is create your button in PayPal. So you're going to go into your PayPal account and create a new button. So what I've done here is I've created a test product. I've given it an item ID, and this is required in order for this to work correctly. And I've set the price at $1. This is so that I can test and without charging myself a whole lot of money. So I set this at $1, and then I went ahead and went here, and you can update these as you need to. And then on this page you can change these settings as you like, and then these are the ones to pay attention to. You're going to want to set these two boxes here, check them, and set the URL. This is where users will go when they cancel their checkout. So what I've done is I've set it so that users come back to the sales page here. You can also set up another page if they cancel checkout and have them go there, perhaps to save the sale. And then this one is take customers to this URL when they finish checkout. And in this case, that's going to be my upsell page. So after I've done that, I'm going to come down here and you'll notice I have added this, and it's add advanced variables. So what I'm going to need to do is in my funnel settings, I'm going to go here. I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom where it says third-party membership access. And I've already created this product here. So you would click add product, and then you give your product a name, choose PayPal as your billing integration, set the amount, and then you're going to use the cart product ID here. So this is going to be the exact same ID that you created in step 1 here. So I used 1, 2, 3, 4. So here I'm going to need to do 1, 2, 3, 4. And this can be any ID that you want. This is for your own reference. And then I'm going to need to copy this webhook URL here. Now, even though it looks like you can't click on it, you can select the text and then copy it to your clipboard. And then I'm going to go back to PayPal. And in step 3, I'm going to create this notify URL. So what you're going to type out is notify underscore URL equals, and then paste in that webhook URL. Click Save Changes, and now it's going to take you to this screen. And what you can do here is you can either grab this code and you can go to your page in the editor and add a custom JS HTML element and then paste that in there, and that'll display your PayPal button. Or you can also click email and grab this URL here and paste that as the URL for the button on your page if you want to use a ClickFunnels button. Either way will work just fine. So I'm going to go ahead and save this page and hit preview so that you can see it. So here's the PayPal button that I added with the HTML. I could actually center that on the page. Or here's the PayPal button. And if I click that, it's going to take them away from my page here, and it's going to take me to the order page where I can check out and pay with PayPal. When that happens, PayPal is going to send a notification to that URL that we set up in this step here, and it's going to add the contact to ClickFunnels it's going to add this product to their contact profile. It will trigger this fulfillment email. It'll trigger any email integrations that you have here and any shipping integrations that you have here. You also want to make sure, in order to trigger that fulfillment email, you're going to need to make sure your SMTP configuration is set up here as well. So then if you have an upsell, you would do basically the same thing. You would create the product in PayPal, go into the upsell page in the editor. You would create the product here in your funnel settings. You would want to create a second product down here. Click add product. You're going to give it a name, so I'll just call this upsell test. I'm going to choose PayPal as my integration. And then I'm going to need another cart ID. So I can actually make it up here, 2345. And then what I'm going to need to do is create another button. So I'm going to create a similar button, and that's going to take me to the same screen here. So I'm just going to call this upsell product. Then I'm going to use my 2345 product ID. And then I'm going to scroll down here to step 3. And I'm going to set these URLs. So I'm going to get, if they cancel their checkout, I'm going to want them to come back. Actually, let me just go ahead and create this product. I'm going to have to come back here. I'm going to want them to come back to the upsell page if they cancel. So I'm going to get this URL. And then I'm going to need to get my thank you page URL for when they finish the checkout. And that's going to be this one here. So I'm going to get this URL and add that there. And then I'm going to use notify underscore URL equals. And then I need to go back to my product and get the webhook URL. And you'll notice that it's the same for each product in your funnel, but they are different per funnel. So be careful with that and add it here to the notify. I'm going to create this button. And then I can get this email link and I can add this to my upsell page here. So the way that this would work is when a user goes here and they purchase the product from PayPal, it's going to send them back to this upsell page. If they purchase this product, it's going to send them to this page. So that's how it would work. It's not a one-click upsell. It would take them back to the PayPal checkout each time. So I hope that helps. Please let us know if you have any questions that we can help you out with.